That's my. This is the moment. This is the day when I send all my gods and demons on the way. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into flame. It's sure enough to take. This is the moment. This is the time when the momentum and the moment are in right. Give me this moment, this precious chance. I'll gather up my best and make some sincere last. This is the moment when all I've done, when all the dreaming, scheming and screaming become more. This is the day. She's sparkle and shine. When I live for becomes mine. For these years I faced the world alone, and now time has come to throw to them and make on my own. This is the moment my father's destiny began, and every can second best. I won't look down. I'm not alone. This is the moment, the sweetest moment from them all. This is the moment, not on the edge. This day or never, I should never read the when I look back, I will always recall moment for moment. This was the moment, that is the moment of them all. Shout out to Rico Daniel.
Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you very much. Record mo.
Salamat, partner.
Thank you.